Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to the fourth episode of my series on how to build iOS apps. Today we are going to learn a bit about the Swift programming language and about variables, functions, and I believe it's going to be a step forward in your dream of learning how to build iOS mobile apps. This is where we left last time our project, and now today we're going to write a little bit of code. Okay. Now, if you remember a bit about our elements we used so far, labels, text fields, we used buttons, right? And now what we want to do is to somehow be able to take the input from the income text field, and when we click the set button, we would like to distribute all our sum in each and every column. To be more specific, in the food column, clothes column, utilities column, fund columns, and investment column, and last but not least in the total column. Okay. For that, we need to write some code. So if you navigate the mouse to your top right corner, you're going to see a button. If you hover it, it says hide or show the navigator. Okay, just click the navigator button. Okay, and you'll also see a tree structure. Okay. And just go over to the view controller. Okay. Actually, what I really wanted to do is to select the select the view main storyboard. Just hold down the Alt key, click it, okay, and now you can close this sidebar. Okay, I'm just going to make things a bit more visible. If you take a look, you are going to see some stuff in here like location. Just click on it, and I would like to click on the folder and choose view controller. What I really wanted to do is to open you can close now this to make more space for your app. I just click the sidebar button to close it. Okay. And just to make sure we can see what we are doing. So what I did was to open this view control. If you double click it, it's going to open, but I wanted to do some split view. Okay, here you have all sorts of buttons. Okay. If you just click on them, it's going to change your view. Okay. So what is this view controller class? Okay. What's a class? Okay. Well, a class it's a set of instructions. Okay. That are to be applied to the same, I don't know, let's say object. Think about this our screen to be an object. Okay, now this class, okay, it's going to rule over my object with a set of instructions that needs to be followed. Okay, now the override func, you can see the func keyword. This is a function. Okay, how you define a function? You just write the func keyword, give it a name, a few brackets, and there you go. Don't worry about this. Okay, for now we need to create variables for all our elements. Think about it, it's like we have to document everything we have on our visual builder in the class. Okay, how you do it? It's very simple. You just click and drag it inside the class. Okay, give it a name. I'm going to name this income field, income text field, and just hit enter or the connect button. Okay, now let's just take each and every field for now. Is stuff, food, text field. You may have already noticed that I'm using uppercase for each new word. I'm doing this so I can read a little bit easier what I'm doing. Okay, so it's like a convention, so you can do what I'm doing. Okay, don't forget this. This is pretty important for your eyes only. How they say in spy movies when you've got some top secret material. Okay, clothes, text field. Okay, then we have utilities, text field. Then we have font text field, investment text field. Just click and drag it. Investment text field. Whoops. Looks like I misspelled it. I think you no, you have to hold down the control button. No, the command. I think the command button, and left click on it and click rename. Okay. Now, what this operation does, if you have like a longer class, it is going to rename the same instance all over your document. Okay, which is pretty cool. And let's take the total text field. Total text field. Okay, we have everything connected. Let's just delete these spaces to make our class look tidy. Okay, what else do we want? Now let's take the set button and make it's a function. Okay, make a function. When you click the set button, let's make sure each and every of food to investment to total columns get the percentage of the total. Okay, just click and drag, give it a name. Let's say set function, set button. Let's call it like that. Okay, set button, but we wanted a function, right? We wanted an action. Now if we did something wrong, we need to go and right click the button, and it says referencing outlets. Just click the X button. If you're not doing this, you're going to get some serious errors. So just do it again, and this time in the connection section we are going to choose action. Okay, type. Just give it a name. Set button. Just connect it. And now, what are we going to do in this? This is like a function, okay, but we're going to write instruction in this. Okay, let's just do say food text field dot text. We want to access the text of the text field. Let's just do income text field dot text. Okay, divided by, let's for now, for the simplicity, 1 2 3 4 5, let's just give 20% to each of these fields, and then we're going to be able to change the formulas for how you calculate each percentage later on. Okay, this is going to be 20% of the investment, okay, of the income. It's just or this multiplication symbol times 20% is 0.2, okay, 0.2, okay, and we're getting an error. It says cannot be applied to operands of type string and double. What we want to do right now is make the income string a double. How you do this? You just type double, okay. Copy everything in there. And now it says expression type of string is ambiguous without more context. The thing is, when we're done, we need to transform everything back to string, and that's because text field only takes text. Okay, if we're doing math, we need to either use an integer, which is a type, or a double. Okay, now I'm still getting some errors. I don't know why. Okay. Let's see. I just try to run it, so it's not going to run. just make it a quick analysis for now to see what's happening. Okay. I'm not sure how to. What's happening in here? Okay. New numbers. Guys, I'm not sure what this error trying to say, but don't worry, you'll learn how to debug an error. Just copy this error real fast, open a new window and just copy and paste this error. Okay, we already found this error. Let's see what is this saying. I'm not sure. Okay, let's go to Apple forums. Okay. I think we need to do some kind of check. Let's say if income field dot text is not new, then do this. Okay, maybe it works right now. Just let's run it. No, have the same error. Why? Let's for now just try to set the food let's just try to set a food field to income text field. Does it work like this? Got a few errors. Okay, I'm just going to clean my project. Oh. What's happening? Where is my function outside? I think that might be the error. If you paid attention, my font field was outside my class. Let's just see if it works. Income text field. I'm just going to click it, get a number and set, and it kind of works. I think that might have been the problem. Okay, let's just try to do it again. Maybe it works this time. So we need a string. Okay, because the text field only takes the text on the phone. Okay, now we need a double, and we need to transform income text field text double, and then multiply it to 0.2. And now let's run this. And we are getting the same error. Why? Let's do something else. Let's create a value. Let income text field value equal income text field text. Okay, just unwrap it and transform it to double. Text field value. Does it work like this? Whoops, looks like I'm getting some other error. What was the error? It says value of double must be first unwrapped. Okay, let's do it again. Looks like this time it works. Let's input 100, and we are getting 20, which is okay. As you can see, something went wrong, and we had to unwrap this value. I just tried to do it again like this. Oh, okay. Had to unwrap it. Actually, what we needed to do. What's this unwrapping thing? Just think about it like your values are somehow placed in a box thing. Okay, and when you are putting the exclamation point, you say, hey, please unwrap this box for me and get me the value inside. Okay, looks like now it works, but we are going to use the value we just created and unwrap it like that. So we are going to repeat ourselves as less as possible. Okay, you don't want to repeat yourself. Okay, this is bad practice in programming. Okay, so just don't do it, guys. It's not fun at all. Okay, now let's carry on with the next field. Okay, the next field is clothes field text equal string remember we are using string because we are working with numbers. Numbers are different than strings. Numbers are integer or double in our case. And come text field value, okay, times 0.2. The next one is utilities. Just string income. Just remember that this income text field value is a text value, the text being inputted, and it's transformed to a double type. Okay, utilities, and then we have investment field value text equals string income text field value times 0.2. Okay, fun text. It looks like we have a little error. I think I forgot to input the equal sign. I'll do it just a moment. Okay, income text field times 0.2. No, this one was the investment. Got it wrong. Investment text field. Now we need a total text field dot text equal to in here we need to transform everything to string, and in order to be able to add all these values to total, we need to transform everything to double. So we need double this value. Okay, open the box. Okay, get a value, double this value, and just copy pasting what I wrote. Just don't forget to put exclamation points plus utilities. We need to transform the utilities type, which is a string right now, to a double plus. Now let's transform the investment text field again to a double. Don't forget to put the exclamation points. Remember, we are opening the box which holds the text value, which now we are going to convert it to double type and then back to string type. Okay, we have to convert it to double, so make it a number. You can't add number to text in Swift. Let's just run our app real quick. It has built successful. Okay, we just write 100, set it, it's 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, and then 100. let's make food, no, let's make the investment 1% or 10%, and let's make the font percentage 30% just to make sure it works. And run it again, and we need to see a 10 value in here, okay, and a 30 value at font, okay. Looks like the total works. Okay guys, that's for the fourth episode. I hope guys you have learned a lot. Just don't forget to type a comment if you have any questions, and if you have a request for a future episode. Bye bye for now. See you soon guys. Bye.